Serzio. I want to tell you about do-it-yourself video. One day, Helen is sitting in Helen's room, and the two friends come to Helen's house, and they want to suggest Helen, and the fifth suggests to Helen to move the bed under the window. And then David suggests Helen to put the Headway on the chest of drawer. And David suggests again to Helen to move the chair on the corner. And Jane suggests to Helen to paint Helen's room, but Helen says to Jane to paint, and Helen wants to the George's paint, and Jane says to Helen, "Can we do it for you?" And Helen starts to go to lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. And they start to go to the DIY store. And they misguided, and they ask a pedestrian. The pedestrian says, "Go straight, turn left, and the roundabout, go down, and next to the supermarket." And they start to go to buy a paint at the DIY store. The fifth suggests to Jane to buy a black color, but Jane rejected because the color is horrible. And Jane suggests to David and Matt to buy a blue color, but it is expensive. And they look gorgeous color. The name of the color is orange. It is gorgeous and cheap. And they go to Helen's house, and they start to go to painting Helen's room. After they paint, they have a rest time, and they drink a cup coffee. And Helen arrived, and then Helen gets shocked, and Helen screams because the color is horrible, like my t-shirt. I think the video is bored because the character is same like 3+1 video, and the story is interesting because the friend wants to help Helen to paint Helen's room. The moral story of the story is be grateful because the friends Helen wants to help Helen to paint Helen's room. I think that's all. Thank you.
The moral of the story?
the story
Yes.
must be a grateful because the Helen friends want to help others to paint Helen's room.
Right? If let's say we are not grateful,
The friends don't want to paint them.
to help again. And why the video, the title is do it yourself. What is the connection between the title and
Because we must try to paint the room we must paint the room because we must try. We must try it because
in the video it says that you need to do it yourself. What is the point?
is try it to be soft and to be alone to paint.
Or to be independent?
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong? Who is wrong in the video? Whose mistake is that? Why it can happen like that?
The wrong of story is Helen.
Why?
Because the Helen doesn't be a grateful.
Why? Okay. And then?
The Helen doesn't be grateful.
That is no, yes.
Doesn't
You know, right? The color that they.
doesn't help the friends.
Okay, but it's not answering my question. I mean, the color is not something that Helen's like. Why it can happen like that? You say it's Helen's mistake. What? Why? You can say it's Helen's mistake.
Because the color
Mm-hmm.
is horrible, like magnetic.
No, because Helen doesn't tell the color, right? Does Helen tell the color that she wants? Okay. So, do you get my point? It's Helen's mistake because Helen doesn't tell the color, but she wants the one really painted by a new color, right? If you were Helen, do you want to leave your friends? They are painting your room and then you go to lunch appointment, or you have your friends and you cancel the lunch appointment?
Help the friends.
So you cancel the lunch appointment. It's your promise.
Yes.
Why?
Because the friends wants to help to paint, and we must help the friends.
What about the promise that you have made to your friend? Do you want to cancel that?
Yes.
Why? It's more important. Your friend. Okay. What suggestion do you think you can give for Helen's room if you were Helen's friend, but not painting the room?
To tidy up the Helen's room.
Tidy up. Like what?
Under the window.
Okay.
And put the hi-fi on the test background.
Okay, but not painting.
Yes.
Why do you think it's important for us to have good room, good bathroom? Is it important?
Yes,
Why?
because the room is not dirty and what is English word?
Messy.